All right, this is video T 4.3, and we are finishing up the examples of our sine calculations. There were two in the previous video. This is the third option. Let's see what we got and what we're going to end up with. So going across, hypotenuse, and we go around our angle, which is 46. That doesn't matter. This makes this adjacent. That's where I was going. And this is opposite side. So in this column, I was writing what we're given and what we want. So we are given the adjacent, nope. We are given the angle, and we are given opposite. And we are looking for the hypotenuse. If you go back to the previous video, there was one where we wanted the opposite side and one where we wanted the angle, because there's only 3 parts to the formula, so there's only kind of 3 different questions we can get out of it. So sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Please write the formula out every single time. Please, please, please. Don't just start randomly throwing numbers in, because sure, shooting at some point you're going to plug the thing in the wrong spot and then you're going to be sad. And I really don't want you to be sad. So sine theta, oh, but I know my angle, it's 46 degrees, is equal to 8 over my hypotenuse. All right, my one stop here is I have one unknown. So I have hypotenuse is the one thing I don't know. Everything, the other 2 numbers I do. So we're good. Let's get rid of that sine 46. If you are used to carrying that through and doing the calculations all at once at the end, that's awesome. I've just found students struggle with it. So let's make life easy. So sine 46 degrees. Oh, I gotta move my calculator over, sorry. 0.7193 is 8 over hypotenuse. And then we're going to cross multiply. So 1 times 8 is equal to 0.7193 hypotenuse. Now notice this is slightly different than the last one. In the previous video, all we had to do is multiply things together. Well, we're going to do that here too. So 1 times 8 is 8. 0.7193 hypotenuse. But in here, we need to divide to get rid of this. So my hypotenuse, so 8 divided by 0.7193. Oh goodness, I don't need that. There we go. 11.12. And I'm going with the same rule. This was a whole number, so let's just round this to 11 is equal to hypotenuse, or we'll put equals x. I know in the previous video I put the x because there was an x there, but this works too. If we're checking, what I can say is my hypotenuse needs to be longer than any side, and 11 is bigger than 8. All right, I need you to turn off the video and to do this question by yourself and see how that goes.